Today I am going to talk to you about newborn screening. Newborn screening is one of the simplest tests which can be done with few blood drops from a baby which are taken on a simple piece of paper which is called as dried blood spot test. This piece of paper can be then sent to the lab. This newborn screening basically is used to identify multiple genetic as well as metabolic disorders. Some of the common disorders like congenital hypothyroidism, congenital adrenal hyperplasia, cystic fibrosis or phenylketonuria can be identified with just few drops of blood. It is not a mandatory test, but I would definitely recommend everybody to go for this test because the incidence or the chances of baby having any of these disorders are as good as 1 in 2000 to 1 in 20,000 babies. All these babies will initially present as a healthy newborn babies, but later on after day 3 of life they can present with certain complications associated with these disorders. So it is essential to identify these problems even when the baby is not presenting with any complaints. Newborn screening test can be done after first 3 to 4 days of life and should be preferably done within first 1 month of life, because all these diseases can present after 4 to 5 days to later on after 6 to 7 months of age. If identified and treated properly, all these diseases have a very good outcome unless specified. If the newborn screening test comes positive, you have to visit your doctor. The doctor will have to do certain diagnostic tests which will help in proper identification of the disorder. Most of these diseases have special treatment available after which your baby can lead a healthy normal life. So it is very essential to perform the newborn screening test to each and every baby. These tests are not very costly. These tests can be done without giving significant pain to your baby. These tests are valid and acceptable in every part of the world and mostly done as a mandatory test in all the developed countries. I would recommend you to discuss with your neonatologist or pediatrician about newborn screening test and get it done for your baby. Thank you.